AI is silently taking over every field, including manufacturing. Is AI going to replace factory workers in future? How will factories look like in near future? And what are the new jobs emerging? Learn in details. Please watch till the end and keep yourself updated about future job demands and market. Namaskar. I am Amit, a plastic industry expert, and you are watching at Plastic Industry YouTube channel. Please subscribe, share, comment, like, and press that bell icon for more career and industry insights. Let's dive into the topic of discussion now. How factories are turning workers into AI data, the future of manufacturing, I have explained. Inside modern factories, something unusual is happening. Workers are no longer just building products, they are training machines to replace them. From wearable cameras to AI-powered vision systems, factories are quietly collecting massive amounts of human data, not for surveillance, but to build the next generation of intelligent machines. And companies like Tesla, BMW, Foxconn are already investing heavily in this transformation. The rise of data-driven factories. Modern manufacturing is entering a new phase. The data is becoming the most valuable asset on the shop floor. According to McKinsey and Company, AI-driven manufacturing can improve productivity by up to 20%. Quality defects can be reduced by 30 to 50%. This is why factories are aggressively capturing machine data, process data, and now the human action data. Wearable technologies like smart glasses and body-mounted cameras are being tested to capture first-person task execution. This approach aligns with a growing AI field called egocentric first-person computer vision, where machines learn by seeing tasks exactly how humans perform them, from human action to machine intelligence. Let's break this down. A worker performs a task, say quality inspection. A camera records. His hand movements are recorded, product handling is recorded, decision points are recorded, and all this data is then captured as images or videos, leveled by engineers, fed into the AI models. Companies like NVIDIA are developing platforms where AI systems can learn from visual data sets to perform real-time defect detection. In fact, industrial AI systems today can detect defects as small as zero point 0.1 mm, operate at speeds far beyond human capability. Similarly, Siemens uses AI-powered vision systems to automate inspection and reduce manual dependency. Real-world examples of AI in factories. Let us look at what is already happening. Tesla uses advanced computer vision in manufacturing, focus on automation fast production systems. BMW deploys AI for quality inspection using image recognition, reduces human error significantly. Foxconn integrating robotics plus AI to scale production, moving towards lights out manufacturing, minimal human intervention. According to World Economic Forum, lighthouse factories, advanced smart factories, have achieved 70% reduction in defects, 30 to 50% increase in productivity. The future, human to AI knowledge transfer. We are entering a new paradigm. Machines are no longer programmed, they are trained. This shift is critical. Earlier, machines followed rules. Now, machines learn from humans. This is called human to AI knowledge transfer. And once trained, these machines, these systems can work 24 by 7 without any stoppage, without any breakage, scale instantly, deliver consistent quality. According to PwC, AI could contribute up to $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. Manufacturing will be one of the biggest beneficiaries. The risks no one is talking about. But this transformation comes at a cost. Privacy. Continuous monitoring raises serious concern about workers' consent, data ownership, job displacement. According to World Economic Forum, automations may displace 85 million jobs by 2026, but also create 97 million new roles. The challenge is not job loss, it's about transition. Control of knowledge. When human expertise becomes data, companies own intelligence layer of work. Final thought, this is bigger than factories. It's about fundamental shift. Let us consider work. From work we have transferred to data, data to intelligence, and then intelligence to automation. The real question is not will AI replace humans. The real question is who will control that AI that replaces human work, because in the future the most valuable skill will not be doing the job but understanding how to train the machine that does it. If you are manufacturing plastics or in industrial business, this is your wake up call. Follow for deep insights on Industry 4.0. Subscribe for real world strategies, because those who adapt early will dominate the next industrial revolution.